Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation, and I'll be taking you through how to prepare special bag tags that you can customize with sublimation. Sublimation bag tags are a fun way to personalize anyone's luggage and travel bags, while making them easy to identify on those crowded airport carousels. Sublimating these small, double-sided unisub plastic bag tags is simple enough that you can press multiple pieces at one time. First, set your machine to 385 degrees Fahrenheit with medium pressure. 60 seconds is the base setting for a single bag tag. We're going to add 10 seconds for each additional tag to sublimate. We have 4 tags with 4 printed transfers ready to be pressed, so we'll be pressing them all together for a total of 90 seconds. While waiting for the heat press to reach its set temperature, trim the printed transfers, then secure the blanks face down onto the transfers with some heat tape. In between 2 sheets of parchment paper, place the tags on the lower platen with the paper side up. And once the machine is at temperature, go ahead and press them. Once the timer reaches 0, open your heat press and place the tag somewhere to cool for a few moments. After they're cool enough to handle, peel the transfers off each tag. Your first side is now done. Now when the tags are completely cooled down, tape each tag with the blank side down onto your trimmed transfers. Apply all with the same procedures, and then to finish, you can add a thin loop or tie to each tag. These work great as personal items or gifts to give out to friends and family that are always on the go. They also work great for businesses to give away as promotional items. If you'd like to learn more about this and other sublimation blanks, visit us at heatpressnation.com. For any questions, feel free to call our experts at 800-215-0894. And once again, I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation. Thanks so much for watching.